We will play FLAC format music. It's lossless music, so it's gonna be nice and clean. Hey guys, Mike is here with the KEF LSX speakers. A lot of guys were panicking on the YouTube. Every time I watch the YouTube, they say, oh, this is the best speaker I ever heard, all that stuff. Like, well, everything's like a positive. A lot of people could put the good reviews. On this video, we're not gonna just talk, we're gonna run these speakers, we're gonna put the bass test, we're gonna vocal test, the trap music, the hip hop, all that stuff. So we're gonna listen the music actually before you buying, just making the talk show, right? Here's my channel. I always do unbox, and I will run the speakers, I will run all the products at the same video, so you can have the better idea. Of course, I'm gonna run I will make the more video about these speakers, like giving the tons of bass, all that stuff. So stay tuned and let's go. I was looking so many videos about this guy. Everybody is like, who's unboxing and doing the reviews. Maybe they get it for free, or maybe they bought themselves and they cannot say anything bad about the product. So I decided to get my own and take a look if it's a really hype or it is worth that, the $1,000 product. So this guy is gonna be $1,000. We're gonna unbox very quick. I didn't open yet. Everything, it's gonna be unbiased review, right? If it's worth it, I'm gonna tell you the worth it. If not, it is not. So on the box, you're gonna receive what do you have here. It's gonna be quick, 2 power cord, because the both speakers needs the power. All right, let me put these guys on this side. And you have a nice 2 drivers and heavy. So these guys has get out the box. Oh. It says lift from this side. In the box you have owner's manuals. This is very nice remote control, so the white color also like others, and the solid, very heavy Ethernet cable. So that's what we have in the box. Ha. Actually, you have a tripod holder on the bottom right here, as you can see, and this is the light on the back. You have a Bluetooth pairing that pair to 2 speakers, auxiliary input, fiber optic input. So, and the 2 slave and main Ethernet connection. All right, speaker itself, fit and finish is perfect. The decent and heavy speaker. Also, when you get the white one, you're gonna get the glass all over the place. But when you get the different colors, of course, this the texture is gonna be the different. I like the different colors, but the white is also looks nice, right? So guys, I connected speakers. It's very easy to connect. As soon as you power on the main, and the second you power the slave, it's gonna be connected automatically to each other. And also you're gonna use the app to control this speaker, or you can control from your remote control. So from the app, you're gonna do is like other tons of video. You can see it. The guys is doing the detailed video. I'm not gonna go to detail. What I'm gonna do, we bind the speakers to listen the music. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play the music, trap, some vocals, some guitar music. So we'll see the sound quality. On this speaker, 70 watt drivers is like 5-inch driver, and the 30 watt tweeters, and each drivers on the each side has like a DSP kind of DAC installed, so they're gonna control all the sound level. Only thing I'm scared when the most speakers, when you lifting after the 50% of the volume, they're gonna start to cutting the bass. So we'll see, it is gonna be doing the same thing or not. We will play FLAC format music. It's lossless music, so it's gonna be nice and clean sounding. It should be nice and clean. I didn't play yet, so I don't know how it will be performing under my pressure. Let's go. So the volume is very slow, it's gonna go up. Really good bass. So we're gonna lift it up. Nice stereo separation. This is the max. So on the remote control of the volume control, it's very, very slow. So we're gonna put the maximum on the remote control, and we're gonna start controlling from the app, so from the phone. So this is, I believe, the maximum volume, and this is the infrared remote control. So the most remote controls now is RF, but these guys decide to make infrared. So as soon as you start to swing, the other side is not working. So what we're gonna do, we'll run different music. So let me make a maximum on the speaker, so it's gonna be a lot easier to control. Of course, other reviews you can see tons of all the informations, but on this we're gonna mainly focus on the speaker sound. So after 60% of volume, the bass is gonna be cutting down. This is maximum. Something smells. Did I listen more impressive, like other guys says, oh, this guy's amazing sound is, yeah, their sound is good. For the same price, can you get is better sound than these guys? Yeah, absolutely. It's way better sound, way louder, way cleaner. The tweeters are good. Only thing they have, the built-in amplifier, everything is built in. You have an app, you can share the Pandoras, all that stuff from the app, and you can play it, right? For 70 watt drivers, these guys are impressive. I like how they sound, but depending your use case here, I cannot say this is the best I can hear, because my Bowers and Wilkins, the tower speakers, like a passive tower speakers, their bass is way nicer than this. These guys, like the bass is tiny small subwoofers. They boomy at the low volume. As soon as you get louder, they're gonna get punchier. So, of course, what do you wait from the 5-inch the drivers? Let's play more music, guys. Let's play some. I like the stereo separation. Good.
You were on fire when I met you. the longing for the open road.
This is maximum volume.
You had a hunger burning in your heart, enough to tear the world apart. We were like outlaws on the west coast, leaving our footprints in the wet sand.
I make lower.
Our love is more like a remedy, and our world is a forgotten land. 'Cause I can see the fire in your eyes.
Different vocal, so we'll see.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, staying good till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Yeah, the higher volume, you're lacking a lot of bass because it has a DAC inside, so it's cut the bass like all, you know, regular or the cheap subwoofers speakers does that. I cannot say like best speaker I ever heard. I heard a million speakers sounding better than this, is to be honest. But the guys, if I try to sell it, like put the Amazon link, all the links before, and guys get this speaker, this is the best speaker in the Am. I'm not gonna say that because my channel, it's always, I'm gonna say best product for your price, for your money, right? Because you're working hard to get something like this, and you're watching all the guys just sitting and talking. This is the best speaker. This is a proof has the sound details. Of course, from the microphone, from the YouTube, you're not gonna get that 100%, but we try to get it. I'm explaining to you, right? So I wish I can play a lot nicer. It's better the music, but the copyright, you know. So you can actually this cable is very nice. Let's play some different music. This is not gonna be FLAC. This is just a regular MP3 streaming from the internet. So let's see. Can we hear the difference?
Analyzing, try to figure out those lines up on your face.
You can hear the boomy, right, sound. Now it's gonna be slowed down.
Still a mystery, those secrets kept away from me. Those doors are closed. How can you make the fire burn so brightly when you're so cold? Never rest lonely as together with you. Still together with you is where I wanna be.
I'm equalizing bass.
Makes no sense. Never felt happiness together with you. Still together with you is where I'm gonna be.
So these speakers doesn't meant to listen loud.
This fire burns so brightly.
This is the best sound quality.
You're so cold. Never rest lonely.
Yeah, these guys gets loud. Impressive for the drivers, for the size. Again, depending your use case scenario, where you're gonna mount them, where you're gonna install them, how you're gonna listen it. For example, this sound quality, I will make maybe it's a couple of videos about the sound bars. If you have a, like me, like listening, not a separate room, listening position is the one, living room next to your TV, all that stuff. Then getting like both sound systems, like your Sonos sound system, like sound bars, these guys gonna give you really good sound quality for the $1,000. Even any Bose sound system, they will come with the subwoofer, of course. And these guys also, you can run the subwoofers. But any $1,000 Bose sound system, if you compare the sound quality, this guy is gonna give you much better sound than all those guys. We're gonna generate the different kind of tones, and we'll see how these guys are gonna be performing. So we have 85 hertz, 30 hertz, and a maximum volume 20 hertz. So there is no mechanical noise. Of course, it has a built-in DAC, so they will adjust it. And as you can see, nice and beautiful jumps from the speakers, right? What Bluetooth speakers can get the same sound output, same clarity? I'm gonna bring this on Bluetooth speakers for half price. That's it. I put the links on the description so you can check how much they're running now, and we'll see. I'm out.